Good morning. Let's go up high in the sky on a Sunday morning. Let's go. Let's take BMW today. Shall we? Let's go. Gonna have a short trip up the old pack, so I'm enjoying Maine. Sunday morning, so all of the bikers are gonna be up there with us. Even better, right? Let's go. Beautiful day. Look at that. Stars are lining up for us, boys. Even the lights are lining up for us. So today's a bit special because we have a 2 mic setup. We have a 3-view camera. When I say 3-view, I guess because we have the 360, we have the Action 5 Pro, and later on we'll have a look with the actual drone around the area. So I'm taking every inputs and comments you did on my last video, our first video. So hopefully I get better. Join me as we all get better with this vlogging thing that we're starting. Thank you. Our first video actually has like 4,000 views now, so not bad for our first start. Second one I think is like almost 1,000 already, so thank you guys. Thank you. Sorry, I burped a bit. Beautiful day. Look at the camera. We're recording. Yep. Beautiful day. I hope the second camera on the back stays on the back, or else that's it. Goodbye, $150. Vespa. Good morning, Vespa. Oh, it's still cloudy, guys, so hope it's cold because I did put on my jacket, so I need the cold. Come on, more cold, please. See, biker to biker. I said hi, he said hi. Oh, happy days. Everyone's happy. It's that simple. Just listen to the engine sound, boys. That's what we like. To be honest, half of you guys don't care what I'm saying. All you want is to hear the engine sound, so I know. Me too. We're approaching M1. We can open up the throttle a bit more. Happy days. We made it. We made it. Here we go, boys. Ooh, guys, see? here. See? There's a fellow biker already. Let's see, what is he on? Let's see. Looks like a cruiser actually. Woo-wee! An R18! An R18! A fellow brother! I'll see you later. I'll surely see you later. Let's go! Engine for you guys. There. See? Stars are lining up for us. I guess we can turn on the 360 now. Hey! There we go. Recording in 2 cameras now. Not bad. Oh yeah. Random breaths were our finest. Or they're just talking about, hey, how are we gonna go up and catch everything? Hey Cardo, radio off. Sorry. I don't know, Cardo just turned on randomly. So brother, be careful, brother. We're a sports bike, brother. They hate you guys. Sorry. You know what I'm saying. Sports bikes are their prime targets. See, even Porsches are coming up high in the sky to test out their babies. So that's what we're gonna do. Test out our baby. Okay, good morning. There we go. Here we are. Let's get some coffee first. Hi. Do I order coffee here or okay, sure, just a small latte to go?
Yeah,
Yep.
small takeaway latte.
Thank you. Yep.
We'll bring it out to you.
Thank you. Look at that, beautiful.